late right now because me and my boy, taking our Golden Lights for some test runs. We're finna pull up to a private event, and we're gonna see. Maybe we join it, maybe we're not. We're gonna see what's up. Right now we're ghetto rigging. We're driving with no hood. They wanted to take out the hood. Say weight reduction. Yeah. So right now we're gonna head over there. It's probably like 20-30 minutes. Vamos a ver cómo está la movida. And shit, we'll pick up the vlog once we're there. Hopefully everything's clean, no cops. Hopefully everything goes good for tonight, guys. Alright guys, so we just got here to a spot. It looks pretty. There's a lot of people. New spot. We've never been here. You ever been here, bro?
Hell no.
We're gonna try this out. Try this luck today. There's some Supras. Yo, we're finna get baptized. There's a lot of. Looks like a lot of good cars. So. Right now we're gonna see what's up. We're trying to run for some money. We're gonna see. We're trying to run for some money. There's a Supra right there. Motherfucker's sexy. Right now we're gonna see if we don't know yet how it's gonna start or how it's gonna go down. How you feeling, bro? You think you what's up with you?
I don't know. Witty woo.
You think you're gonna? You wanna join it or what's up?
Nah. It looks. I don't know.
It looks like big boy stuff, huh?
Yeah.
I think we have to round me, guys. We about to just head home.
I'm gonna with y'all. Appreciate you for watching.
We just pulled up and there's a nice looking Supra on a big old drag pack. So I'm pretty sure these are some pretty good serious shit. But man, hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully cops don't show up and ruin the night. It's just gonna get started. Shit.
I probably take a picture of my truck.
Yeah. You see, we already got the fans outside. You know. Ooh. Shout out to my boy. A little quick pick. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna test Goldilocks today. Checking out. We're gonna check some tire pressure. We're gonna see what's up. We took out, like we were saying at the beginning, we took out the hood. He said weight reduction, I'm looking at. It looks pretty weird, but right now when we were driving, he was like, oh shit, it feels lighter. But not with my heavy is on this motherfucker. We're chilling right now. Yeah, check it out. She look better in person, just saying. I know we still haven't made that video we said we were gonna make about it, bro. About how much, everything, not how much, but everything you got, the whole setup. That'll probably be another video.
Nah.
More in detail.
Can't do that, bro.
Eventually you're gonna have to do it, bro. We can't.
So go to my tuner, horsepower factory.
No. Well, yeah, but nah, we wanna tell the fans, you know. So, you know, well, not the fans, but the followers who are supporting us. You see, we came up with that sticker, my boy. He already got an order in, a few stickers. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if maybe we're gonna sell some stickers to the fan. It's cold. I ain't gonna lie, it's cold. I'm shivering. Well, shit, man. We're gonna see what's up. My boy, he wanted to thank the followers, bro, for honest opinions.
All the support so far.
So far, we had 200.
On the road to 1,000.
200 some right now. Obviously, something like, you know what I'm saying. But shit, everything takes time, man. Just you gotta trust the process, you know. Nah, it's not easy out here. A lot of YouTubers out there, huh? We're just we're trying to be
me. It's the
real
real
me.
me.
You know, it's us.
I'm
You know, it's what we do.
Nobody else gonna build it but me.
Heat a shop right now. Shit, man, this truck's come a long ways. I mean, I've known you since high school, bro, and this motherfucker was V6 on 16s.
I'll probably include that in I'll do a video of how everything started.
Man, I remember I used to gap this motherfucker with the OBS.
Stop lying.
Stop lying. I'm finna post a video.
Right.
Nah, but look, she's looking mean. She got the coilovers. You know, she looking feisty. We're gonna put it to test tonight. That drag plane ain't there for no reason. Hopefully we get some good runs. We bought a little bit of money, you know, just to play around with. But I'll pick up the blog. Right, we'll pick up the blog right now, bro. If some runs come.
Once they start the event, we'll start recording.
We'll start recording because right now I think they're just waiting for everybody to pull up and adjust, I guess, park and shit. But all right.
Mustangs, 5.0s. We'll see how they go. Let's see what they do.
They're lining up. We're gonna try to get a video. A lot of people, so hopefully we get a good video for you guys. He slept the night like who?
Jay,
like who? He slept like monkey. One of these Mustangs finna. What Mustangs do? They hit the crowds. Oh, we finna run.
Put it in reverse.
He gonna hit all of us, guys. Put it in reverse, Terry. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you one of my homeboys put up. Hey, hello. On está the turbo, the turbo. Aquí no nada peso. You two a big boy for the turbos, bitch?
Ay, chiquitita hermosa.
Hello, cachetas, llegó.
Why you ain't get in?
Say what's up to the blog, bro.
What's up? Why you ain't get in? Look at being king.
I'm in.
Okay, good.
Nah, we just came to see what's up, bitch.
What's the pain? What's the buying?
$75.
¿Cuánto?
$75.
Who we gotta talk to, bitch? We gotta talk to you? I thought you were gonna come out and bring out the Mamalona, bitch. Spool some turbos. llegó Cachetas number 2. ¿Qué onda, bro? ¿Cómo anda? Aquí era, say what's up to the vlog, bro. Chilling or what? Nah, ¿qué pasó, vato? Ya vas a empezar.
So we're gonna line them up with one monkey?
Oh, monkey, he calling you out, bitch.
What?
No, those You finna vote him.
He got the concourse ready for them hoes. Misfire. Yeah, fuck with my boy, he got the kicks.
Stop recording. Like, don't be like that. Bitch.
Nah, you got the kick, got the concourse, bitch.
Show him the face. Show him the oh, bitch.
Ooh.
The honey. Honey. Bitch, that hoe got the battery, bitch.
Damn. Hey, this jacket like what, like $200, bitch?
Hey, that bitch, that hoe 5,000.
5,000.
That's a whole turbo kit.
That nigga Jay anda recio, nigga. Turbo. He said no more NA. No more NA, right? Huh?
Oh, you did it, you're right.
You changed your whole setup, bro? You're not 6'2" no more? 6'0" now? Or what?
I put it on mother.
You got another truck?
Bitch, I have like 3 trucks.
Oh, my bad, dog. You see, I don't know you had 3 trucks. Alright, so we're going, right now, it's gonna get a test pass for free because other guy didn't show up. So right now we're gonna see how it do, how it hooks. Hey, mírale poquito. Eso es todo, verga. He got the unicorn prints on stock, hit him up. Monkey, teach him how to do a burnout, bitch. Never mind. Hey, chop up el muñeño. No traction. What you think about that pass, bro?
Get your money back, man. Get your money back. What he got him at? Right now it's round 2. We got that new BS versus a GMC new BS. Right now. No las pises, ¿qué? Está bien pegajoso. Hey, say, I got 40 on this one. Say, I got 40 on this one. 100, fuck it. Next round. At death race, we're gonna find out. Glad boy. Hey, watch out, hey. You didn't want to get rowdy with me, homeboy?
My bad.
I get rowdy hard. That's this fool. Look at his lip, it's swollen. I hit that nigga yesterday. Put some light on that motherfucker. What's it?
Watch out, Mustang. My head is out. Look, hold on. Put this in the camera right now.
Let's see. We got some. Oh my god. That's how you sleep with the light, guys. Round 3 or what? It's round 3, right?
Yeah.
How's it? Ooh, it's cold. We got some cagapalos doing burnouts and shit over here. He about to get woo right now, huh? He about to get jumped out of these niggas. New newbies versus Pony. That motherfucker better not fall on us, bitch. Bitch, that's money way weather, bitch. Hey, that's money made weather right there. ¿Qué pasó? Él es bueno for the win.
We won already?
Yeah, I won.
Hey, fucking Toyo, where's the fucking Toyo? Go collect your money, bro. Go collect your money.
Ah! Hey, run, run!
Oh, truck one. Truck one. I got the truck.
Bitch, you should have ran, bitch.
Yeah, that was
Hey, we took all, dog. ¿Se ganó o no?
Yeah, we got him.
He took this one, wait.
Hey, nah, well, look, this is a whole crew teamwork, you know? You told me I got Malona, güey, in Houston, Texas. The LS boys in the house, todos a la verga.
Lalo in the 0-0 right here.
That was a long ass fucking.
He left you hanging, bitch.
Bájate el pantalón, güey.
Trae chor, trae chor. ¿Cuánto apostó?
300. That's a $300 bid.
What's your replica? What the fuck that is?
Boys.
Oh shit. Para que pague la renta, culo.
No de mentiras, güey. A la verga, pa.
Hey, yo.
Hey, let him roll. Hey, breathe.
Hey, let me hold 100, bitch. Don't tell me you don't got none.
That's it for tonight, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like and comment what y'all think. After all, the truck versus the Mustang ended up taking the win. Even though the truck ran really good. Shout out to Alexis for that. Good stuff, man.
Yeah, so pretty much that's a wrap. Everybody left already. There's nobody more. Cop put up at the end. Yeah, like, subscribe, show us some love, man. This is just the beginning. We're gonna bring some more content up. And y'all hit my boy Lalo on Instagram, Lalo4.8 for decals. Y'all just share out some decals. We're gonna be selling them decals soon. And if they sell the ones we order, we're gonna drop in some more shit.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share it. If you know somebody who likes stuff like this, let them know. Show some love, subscribe.